Hey my beauty family, this is Valia's channel, and in today's video I have for you this very beautiful purple classic look. It is one of my recommendations for you for a Christmas holiday look, special event look. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my eyebrow styler 10 dark blonde, and this is it. Then I have sculpted them up with my Just Touch by Golden Rose liquid concealer, and I have set up my lid with my Mesauda Pro Light concealer in the shade Set 30. And then I have set up over with my powder by Sabrina Rudnick. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friend, as you see from my t-shirt, I will have for you a very nice Christmas look again for holiday season, a purple look this time. So I'm gonna use this very beautiful palette. I'm gonna take for my crease that which is for my transition shade a light brown color which I love. Starting from the inner part of the eyelid to the outer part of the lid, the outer corner. It is a very nice light brown color, shimmery color, although the most times I believe that we can wear matte colors, but in some looks you can wear and some light shimmery colors. Beautiful, very beautiful this color. Light purple, pink, purple, brown, very beautiful. Now I'm going to take with my flat brush the darkest color of this palette, which is this, a plum, a very dark, like the color of the prunes, purple. I'm gonna take this with my very nice, this type of brush, beautiful color. I apply it on the outer corner. I don't know if you like that, it is on my opinion of course, I like to pull up a little on the outer corner this dark color, a little. You can also leave it on the lid, the outer corner, and turn it up onto the inner corner, but sometimes another technique is to pull up under the brow bone area the darkest shadow, the outer corner, which I'm doing this time. And of course for my inner lid I will have this very nice light shimmery pink color with a very flat brush, and this is a very nice look that I love, my friends, for my event, or my Christmas event, or New Year's, or any look on these days. Of course from afternoon till evening, not in the morning, this look. Beautiful look, my friend. And between the two of these colors, I will have a touch of this, a little dark Burberry color, brune color. I connect with this color, the lightest, with the darkest shadow. It's something between purple and burgundy shimmery color, of course. I really love these beautiful colors, my friends. And the purple colors, I have to say the prune colors are very wintry, very holiday, and matches to almost all of us, all the skin tones we have. I have told you, and in my other videos, and from my career of course, that all the colors matches to almost all of us, but each one of us, if we are dark blonde as I am, we have to find in the same color the undertone that matches to our skin. So almost all of the colors matches to almost all of us. Of course, I will have a highlighter by Ushas, which is a very nice rose gold for my underbrow bone area. I love this. Continue with the other eye with the same way, taking the most light color from the inner part to the outer. I really love this look. I adore this look. And my friends, I love in general the look. They are intense, shimmery, and intense look for special event or holidays or Christmas. Taking the darkest, of course, put it on the outer corner. I pull it up a little under the brow bone area, I have told you that. Although you can leave it on this part of the lid and turn it inside onto the inner lid and then smudge all the area together, but I like ending technique. And of course, the inner part with a very nice light shimmery pink, which is one of my favorites. And of course, purple colors, dark purple colors are wintry, are for this time of the year. And just a touch from the other, the color between the dark and the outer corner and the inner lid. And again, my highlighting powder, rose gold, for the under brow bone area. Just a few coffee with this mug, which is with hearts, farfalle, and windows, very nice ornament for Christmas, red color. I really love this red cup. Now I'm going to wear my MAC Brush Stroke 24-hour liner. In this look I will have a black liner, and then I will have my lashes, which are they? They are thick and long lashes. Let's have the classic eyeliner. If you have a black or a burgundy, not other color in this case. My liner is ready. Now I'm going to wear my lashes. I'm going to wear my lash curler. I always use my lash curler. Before wearing my false lashes, I have to wear my black mascara. And always black mascara if you want to wear false lashes, of course, because if you have any other color, it will disappear with the lashes. On the upper lashes, I'm gonna apply 2, 3, 4 coats, and then I will get my eyes, my lashes to get dry. And after 2 or 3 minutes that they are going to dry, I will wear my false lashes. Something else that I don't remember if I have told you, we take our black liner and I'm gonna do my upper waterline like this because I want to connect the highlighter with the lashes with all the eye. Like this is, do it. Close your eyes. And I will connect, so the eyeliner, the lashes with the inside area of the eye, and I have a very continuous result, my friends. It is a tip for you. Going to wear my false lashes off camera and coming back, friends. My lashes are ready and I'm going to move to the rest of the face. Maybelline Fit Me Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer. As always, my lovely hydrating primer for me. And for your type, anything you can choose. If you have a more oily skin, you have to choose a primer that it is more matte. But always we have to wear our primer before foundation. And of course, before I have started my makeup look, the whole look, I have done my whole skincare, of course. In this look, I have to wear Super Stay Active Wear 30 Hour Foundation 10 Ivory. I'm applying it first with my kabuki brush, and then I will have the best applying blending with my beauty blender. I always do that in my foundation and every liquid product I use. Continue with my Mesauda Pro Light Concealer on the inner part of the eyes, of course. On the outer corner, I don't apply directly onto the bottom eye. It does not need. On the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area, 2 lines at the mini lip, and on the chin area, some product, and of course, applying best with my beauty blender, as I always do. I'm leaving for 1-2 minutes my inner side to avoid this darkness, and applying my bronze skin by Monrive, my liquid bronzer. I have told you that if you want a very nice special event look, you don't have to avoid contouring, you have to do contouring. It will give your face a very nice frame, a very nice blending. And applying this, of course, with the beauty blender, with motions upwards onto your cheek area. Taking my Tinted Cheeks Monrive, which is a very nice pink liquid blush. I'm applying it with my fingers, but I will apply and this with my beauty blender. Taking my glitter padding rose gold highlighting powder, my highlighter which is the rose gold for that case, of course. And this I'm gonna apply with my beauty blender, as I always do. The liquid product gives you some result more, I have to say, fresh, more dewy. But over there, I will have in my powdery product. After my liquid product, I'm taking my loose powder to set up. I'm starting from the under eye area. On the under eye area, we have told always loose powder. Of course, I will continue to set up the whole face with that powder. This is a banana powder. I really like the banana powder. Over this, I'm gonna take my pressed powder to set the whole face, of course. And continue with the powdery products. Continue with my bronzer, which is this. Any type of bronzer you have. Onto the same point we have applied the liquid product. Onto the same point. And with a little fluffy brush, I'm doing from the inner part of the brows 2 straight lines down onto the nose. I'm doing a contouring of my nose. Taking my coral blush, which is this, over that I will take my pink shimmery blush by Cyan, which is this color. I'll have my Wet n Wild Palm Beach ready, which is this, a very shimmery, nice shimmery bronzer. And of course, my highlighting powder, which is a rose gold, onto my nose, onto my cheekbones, and onto my cupid bow, and onto the temple. Going to end up with the same palette onto the under eye area, taking the darkest of this to apply on, down bottom of the eye, the darkest color. We continue with the inner color, which is the lightest pink. for the inner part. I'm taking my rose gold palette highlighter for my inner corner, and of course my black liner for the waterline. And one coat of mascara onto the bottom lashes. Just one coat. Don't need much on the bottom lashes. You don't need much mascara. It's enough. I really love this highlighting powder when I want to do a very shimmery special event look. I'm doing my Revolution Fixing Spray. I'm having this so I can keep my makeup last many hours in the day. I'm taking off the excesses and continue the rest of this motion is lips. 25 gritty dark purple color, the classic dark purple. Cyan liquid lipstick, 12 Berry Passion, dark purple color. And of course, if you want, leave it as it is. But I want to wear over this a super lip, fruity, dark burgundy with shimmery, which is a very nice lip gloss. It is burgundy color, purple dip with shimmery inside gold, and I will have some of this onto the lips. It is the same color. Taking some end with my finger. Well, my friends, this is the whole look I have for you today. It is another recommendation from me to you for a Christmas special event holidays look. It is a purple look, we have told this. It is a nice look for all the special events now this holidays season. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!